Good afternoon. Saturday again in the mini performance workshop. Today's jobs are to do some more work on the 4-post lift. What we're going to do is we're going to take the wheels off, try and work out its final position, and then have a bit play with it and test it, and hopefully stick Austin on it. So that'll be first, and then after that I'm going to take the cylinder head off the 8-port motor and take that home and get it ready for stripping the rest of the motor down to put the new cam in.
Well, the worst it's going to do is strip out because it's got load on it now.
Oh, that's yeah. Oh, I'm going to take that as well. That's it, cut down by itself, yeah.
Should have done now.
Yeah, it's a limit switch. Down.
No, it's going out.
Leave me up here. Where's my ladder?
So the brakes is
Down towards you. So yeah, successful first test. It went up and down. We set the limit switch so it stops just before the light. But that's with a Mini, so I think anything taller or more normal, we can't go as high. But yeah, that worked pretty well. We need to look at maybe get some spreader plates and then bolting down the feet to the floor so it doesn't move when you're moving on and off with the car. But yeah, it's working.
and then just level up the light.
Yeah, not the strongest thing I don't like, but
Just a drip tray though.
yeah. I was waving at the camera.
Oh.